Thank you so much. Hi, everyone, and good morning. My name is Rachel Badish, and I'm the co-founder and CRO of Conversation.one. I have with me Chen Levkovich, my colleague, and today I'd like to present you with the first Build Once, Deploy Anywhere platform for conversational applications. Leveraging our platform, financial institutions can now build their Amazon Alexa skills, Google Home actions, Facebook Messenger bot, or their own intelligent assistant in one single process. We started developing the platform at the beginning of 2017, focusing on financial institutions. We launched at the end of that year, and today we have more than 3,000 marketeers and developers leveraging our platform, from credit unions to community banks, large financial and insurance companies, as well as financial technology vendors.
Okay.
We are also the only certified platform on Amazon Alexa for financial
1, 2,
services.
3, 4, 5,
And I'm
6,
very
7,
happy
8,
to
9, 10.
share that earlier this week, Gartner announced Conversation.one to be a cool vendor in the category of AI conversational application development platform. So with that long introduction, let's take a look at what is it that we actually do. We'll start by logging into our dashboard. We'll start by logging into our dashboard and creating an account. There's no need to download anything. You don't need to ask for any access. Our platform is open for each and every one of you to build, test, and deploy your solutions. We'll take advantage of a first-time wizard that will walk us through the process of building our conversational application. We'll start by choosing the industry. In our case, it's banking. Now we have access to more than 24 of conversational queries around banking. Questions like, what's my balance? How much did I spend at Walmart? And also transferring money or paying my bills. Later on, you can customize those questions and add more onto them. Moving into the next phase, we will connect the APIs of your credit union or bank to the conversational applications. Now, I know you're concerned, but don't be alarmed. I know that getting access to your APIs is not always an easy task, and this is why we've pre-integrated with more than 10,000 financial institutions' APIs onto our platform to give you access to your customers' data. We're choosing Chase for this demo, and obviously, if you do have access to your APIs, you'll just connect them directly and move to the next screen. On our last page, we will choose the devices we'd like to support. You can choose any of the leading devices that are out there today, like the Amazon Alexa, the Google Home, a Facebook Messenger bot, but also having your own chatbot, a texting solution, and even a phone assistant. You could deploy all of them together or add them gradually in a click of a button. And that's it. Once we completed this process, our conversational application is ready to be tested and launched. You could use our online simulator to do it, but we could also use one of the devices we just picked up. So how will your customer use it? Let's say I'm a Chase customer, I'm at home, and I have a question about my balance. I reach out to my Alexa device and start a conversation. Alexa, ask Chase what is my checking account balance.
Please provide your PIN code in order to continue.
My PIN code is 1234.
Your PIN code has now been verified. Let's get started. Total checking account available balance is $7,323 and 36 cents. What else do you want to ask me about?
Please transfer $800 to savings account.
From which account would you like to initiate the transfer?
Checking.
You want to transfer $800 from your checking account to your savings account. Is this correct?
Yes.
Thank you. I have successfully completed the transfer.
Thanks, Alexa. You're awesome.
Thanks. You're not too bad yourself either.
Well, that's very nice of her. But let's say I'm not a big fan of those new devices, the Alexa, the Google Home, and I prefer to interact directly with my bank. I can use a texting or a chatbot to ask, for example, for the nearest branch. I will immediately receive a response to my phone, giving me the accurate address, a link to a Google a Google map that will take me there, and also a picture that would make it easier for me to identify the location as I drive by. And talking actually about driving by, isn't it always the case where you're in your car and you remember you forgot to do things? This is why you could also use our platform to provide with a phone assistant. I will call the bank and start the conversation.
Welcome to Chase. Please provide your 4-number PIN code so we can get started.
My PIN code is 1234. My PIN code is 1234.
Thanks, Rachel. Your PIN code has been verified. Let's get started. What's next on your agenda?
I'd like to pay my credit card bill.
Sure, your credit card bill in the amount of $1,527 was paid.
But great, isn't that awesome? Through the same business logic that we've just configured together, your customers can interact with the banker, with an automatic banker, across more than 6 different platforms and channels. And there was no need for unique integration, deployment, or maintenance processes. Everything is done and controlled from one single place. This is our dashboard. This is where you can maintain, grow, and expand your conversational application. This is also where our AI engine, which we coined as the brain, is analyzing constantly the conversation of your customers and improving the responses by more than 100% across all channels. And there's so much more that our platform can do for you, from automatic regression test tool to versioning to providing multiple factor of authentication processes, but we don't have the time to talk about all of that right now.